Hi everybody, Michelle with Creative Operation. I have an unboxing from your creative studio, and as you can see, I have already peeked and I am in love with this package. So let's go through and let me show you what we've got. So I didn't do a whole lot of peeking, I just took it out of the package. I haven't looked at everything, so we're gonna look at it together, but oh my goodness, this is amazing. So again, this is from your creative studio. This is the March 2023 collection, and this is a bee themed collection that is just absolutely gorgeous. So here's the card. Look at that. It says be happy on it. Just a super, I love these. They work so well in your projects too. I mean, they're just so cute. So let's get started. I saw this and I just went absolutely nuts. This is a bookmark, and I have to take it out and look at it because I have to see how this works. There is, it's just a beautiful, beautiful bookmark on a chain. Isn't that pretty? I love it. I was kind of curious because the back, it kind of looked like it had clips on it, so that's why I wanted to take it apart and see. But look at that. That is adorable. So you could use this as a bookmark. You could use it as a charm. Adorable. I love the bees, and look at that little flower. So super cute. So that is adorable. Let's just kind of just start randomly. So this is in a matchbox, and this says Song of Twilight on the front. And let's see what's inside. Oh, so lots of little labels. Let's open these up and see what they look like. So I'll get up close so you can see. So it looks like two of everything, and there's stickers. So these are super adorable little stickers for your journaling and stuff. I love these little labels. These are so cute. These would make great embellishments, little clustering and stuff. What does that say? Chapter. This one says 2. Almost looks like a pizza behind there, doesn't it? There's the number 5. So, oh, these are so cute. Lots of little colors. Number 6. There we go. Butterflies. Oh, that's amazing. There's a lot of these labels, and there's 2, like I said, of each one. So really, those are nice. I like that. And a cute little matchbox container there. That is adorable. So I'll just put that back in here for right now. Put that off to the side so I know what I've done. We've got sticky notes here. These are fun. Use these as sticky notes in your notebooks. You could use them, you glue them onto your page and use the images. I just think that's adorable. Love that. This says for lucky day. For lucky day. And what does it say on the back? It says retro creative material package. So let's see what's in this retro creative material package. Oh, little pad. Oh, and there's like nice papers. Let's flip through, kind of see. Oh, they're florals. Nice. There's some vellum in here. Ooh, nice. I've got some ideas. Look at those pretty flowers. There's butterflies, leaves. Oh, and it looks like that's holly. Is that holly? Sure is. So you could have some fall, there's summer, there's spring in here. I love that. Different kinds of papers, different thicknesses. That's very pretty. I've got some ideas. I've got some ideas. I have, ooh, great ideas. That's awesome. Oh, I won't put that in there. Let's just keep going, because now I'm super excited to see what else is in here. So this here says flower manual on it. And these are, ooh, flower papers. Can you see all of these? Pumpkins, ferns. Look at that. Oh, these are adorable too. Oh my goodness. I know I'm kind of going fast. I got excited there, but look at all those pretty papers. That's beautiful. Cute little papers to add, doing collages. You can do little cluster embellishments with these. These would make cute faux stamps too. OMG. Ooh, I've got some ideas. I have got some ideas. Ooh, and there's vellum pieces in there. Look at that little butterfly in there. Ah, that's so cute. Let's see. I know that's probably kind of hard to see, but look at that with the chandeliers and everything, the butterflies and the stamps. That's really adorable. Oh my goodness. It is full. It is full. I don't know how many's in here, but good gravy. There's a lot. Lots of vellum and then papers. These are adorable. These would make, oh, and there's a bee. Gotta have your bees, right? So cute. Those are adorable. How big are these? Let's measure. So these are about 1.5 inches, no, 1 3/8 by 2 1/4. Nice. These, let's measure this while we're at it, just so you guys know, are 2 5/8 square. No, yeah, 2 5/8, a little bit more. So that is adorable. I totally can see making some faux stamps out of this. And look at the spine. That is so cute. It just looks like this little book. It says flower manual on it. So cute. This little package says written memory, and it says handwritten memory on the side here. So it looks like we're going to have some papers again that have, you know, a handwriting theme. So let's just flip through there. Oh yeah, so beautiful. I love this kind of stuff. It's so pretty. Looks like 2 of each one, different colors. They all match just perfectly. They look complementary to everything in here. So beautiful. Awesome. So we have that. This is Dazzling Flowers here. It says 3 pieces here. So let's look at this. It looks like there's stickers and they look like they're all different. So let's check that out. So, oh yeah. And they have gold in them. That's really nice. Ooh, and there's some really tiny ones too. Those are adorable. I hope you can see those really well. Maybe you'll see better on the black. Of course, I don't know how shiny that is on the camera, but that is so pretty. So there's that one. There's that one. Beautiful florals. Lots of little dots here too. And then we have these. Those are beautiful. Those would add a very nice touch, and with the pop of gold, it'd be gorgeous. Very cute. Very cute. So those, I have those. We have some papers here. So these are the creative papers. Sticker sheets, vellum sheets, art paper, and pattern paper. And so let's go through here. So usually there are one in each of, you know, one pattern for each of the kind of paper types. So we'll go through. These are, oh, look at that. This is so beautiful. Yep, and there we go. So now here's your vellums. I have to see this one on the vellum. Isn't that beautiful? It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Then you have sticker papers here. And then you have, you know, you start getting into your art paper here. This is textured paper. You can feel the texture on them. So pretty. Oh, that's going to be nice to work with. Yeah. So this says masking tape. I don't think it's masking tape though, is it? Is it? Let's find out. We're going to find out. Nope, it feels more like a rice paper to me. Yeah, it is. Like a tissue paper, rice paper kind of thing. So I won't take it out because it's really thin, but look at the beautiful honeycomb. That's gorgeous too. I love these little stickers, just the black and white, the bees. It says "Be Happy" on it. Those are really pretty. I love those. And then let's look in here. So this is washi tape. And let's see if I can open this up. And then this is very cute. It has bees on it, I can tell already. Let's see if I can get it going here. Here we go. Yeah, bees and flowers. Honeycomb behind. That's beautiful. Yep, That is beautiful. I love this one. This is gorgeous, and the colors are just so pretty. So yeah, I've got ideas already, that's for sure. Here is a stamp. We have 2 packages of stamps. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this one has 2 in it. So we have a little honey pot or honey jar. Ooh, this has 3 in it. Forgive me. Little bees, and then a bigger honey pot. Oh, that's cute. So we have all of that. And then in here, let's look in here. A big stamp with flowers and a bee. That's gorgeous. That is beautiful. All right. So you guys, look at this package. This is absolutely gorgeous. I have all kinds of beautiful papers, all bee themed. Look at this. Labels, I have paper, I have these cute little flower manual full of flower images. I mean, seriously, how adorable is that? We have papers, we have sticky notes, and last but definitely not least, this absolutely adorable book charm bookmark. So how pretty is that? This is from Your Creative Studio. This is the March 2023 box. And I just absolutely love it. So I'm super excited. I'm going to be making something with this. I will be back soon and I will share with you what I'm making. So whatever you're doing, stay crafty, and I will see you soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.